This app prints stories in a thermal printer. It has 6 categories with 6 set of stories. It's very easy to use. So this is primarily focused on children from age 5, and it is very easy to use. The whole thing comes as one unit where the software and printer pre-installed. You only need a space and internet connection. All the stories are stored in Supabase. So I have created a edge function where the app connects with the server and it will give you the print. So you don't need to store anything on your device. So it's easy and lightweight. It is only 15 MB of size. So the app is built in Android Studio. I did not use any hybrid frameworks. So it's a core Android project. We have set up this unit in one of the schools in Hyderabad, India. We can see how this kid is choosing a category and printing a story. So it's as simple as that. She just need to click a button and it will connect with the server and it will give a story. So this can be installed anywhere. So this can be set up in a public place or a clinic, school or university, or even in a restaurant. While you wait for something, you can get a story printed and enjoy your time while reading a story. This is the landing page. If you're interested, you can contact them. You can request for a demo. You can book an appointment from here. So I use Calendarly. I integrated into the website. So you can choose any of the dates and set up your appointment. And also you can contact them. You can directly write to contact@snippetstorage.in with your details. Okay, so you can go through this website. So this website is built in React with Vite engine. So it has so for now we have deployed this one, snippet dispenser. So you saw the demo in few moments ago, right? So this is the stand, and we have also developed an app, a front end, where it will read QR codes and give you a random story. But this is not yet deployed, so this is still in progress. But the plan is to have this snippet disk where you can come and scan these QR codes to give you a story. And so these are the different categories, and these are the target places, so where you can use this device in public library, hospitals, private clinics, caves, restaurants, schools, universities, transport hubs. So these are the target places we have, and you have already seen the product. So this is the client dashboard where the client uploads the stories. So again, this is built with the Vite engine. So all the stories, if I open one of them, so this is how it will be printed. Exactly, you will see the title, author, and all the stories. So we also have images. So I will show you by uploading one story. So only the author can see their own stories. So it's just like you can see your own content in Facebook or Instagram, and I can manage my content, edit or delete. And let me add a story. Okay, title, genre, maybe I'll add it as kids or something. Industry for now, school. Author, I'll write my name. Okay, category, very short story. So this is a HTML text editor, so you can modify it. You can make it bold, italic or something. Also I can add an image here. So for thermal printers, adding an image is not easy, so we have to convert it into a certain format. So when I upload an image, for example, so it's a color image, but it will be converted into printable format for the thermal printer, because thermal printer cannot accept color, or it will only consider black ink, nothing else. So I am converting it into this format, and also we can add some more text so that we can complete the story. Okay, so I will check all this, then publish. Okay, so you can see the story here. So this is how it will be printed. So I don't have the printer now. Okay, so I cannot give you another demo with the live story that I have uploaded. All right, so this is for the author. This is a client dashboard, and this is for the admin, where they can edit or delete. So they can manage the content, but they cannot upload any new content, but they can block a content. So if they want to block it, so it will be blocked, and this story will not be printed. Okay, so I will unblock it. Every day the server will send a email to the customer, my client, who is the owner of this product, and to me as well, in this format. So we know that yesterday how many stories were printed, by which school or which customer. Okay, so yesterday we see that there are a lot of stories printed from this particular client. So for this I am using a PHP server. I am not using Supabase, because in Supabase I have to integrate another third-party email service. So client already has a PHP server, so I am using to store the print data, and also I am sending an email every day. About the QR app, which is in the progress, so when you scan a QR code, it will open the story for you, and whenever you open it, it will give you a random story. So if I refresh this page, so it will keep giving you random stories. So we have different categories. So based on the QR code you scan, it will give a respective story. So it won't repeat the stories, so that you won't get bored. So once you finish a story, you can again scan it, and you can get a new story. So this is the app in close look. I'm not sure if you're able to see it in the demo properly. So it has total 6 categories. So all these are GIFs, and there is also an ad placement at the bottom. So this comes from Supabase. So these are custom ads. So let's click one button. So here, this is the printing page. It will give a status as your story is being printed until the print is done. So because it is not connected to the printer, you will see print fade. The tech stack used is Android Studio for this app. The stories are uploaded to Supabase, and all the stories are fetched from a Supabase Edge function. The front end, the website, the client dashboard, admin dashboard, the app, everything was built with Vite and React. The emails are sent by PHP server, and even the analytics, the print data is also saved on the PHP server. So if you have a related requirement, let me know. You can reach out to me. I have the contact in the description. Thank you for your time. I'll come back to you in another video. Thank you.